What if I told you that this water bottle could be ground up and then used to 3D print and prototype the next generation spacesuit at Johnson Space Center? Or better yet, what if we could do the same thing and fabricate an improved toilet seat cover for women on the International Space Station? These are just two real-world examples that our NASA customers have pioneered using our technology. Hi, I'm Samantha, and I am an Air Force reservist on the weekends and the co-founder and catalyst for Re3D, where we are addressing the two biggest barriers constraining 3D printing, and that's cost and scale. You see, when a NASA scientist actually goes to buy a 3D printer to print with plastic, they only have a couple options. There's desktop printers, which are awesome and affordable, but you can only print things you can hold in your hand. So when our NASA engineers want to print something that's, say, functional or at the astronaut scale, they have to buy an industrial system, which can be cost prohibitive and sometimes has a limited materials library. That leaves a $7 billion market opportunity. Enter Gigabot. It's our flagship technology that starts at 30 times the size of the desktop systems, but it's a fraction of the cost of the industrial equipment because it starts in just under $9,000 US. We're so honored to be selling Gigabot in 50 countries around the world, in addition to services around it, whether it's contract printing or maintenance, which gives us reoccurring revenue. And that's generated over $7 million in sales to date, which has allowed us to catalyze our bootstrapped startup as we support NASA engineers who are in our portfolio and contractors, as well as other explorers who are opening up new and high-growth markets in 3D printing. We do everything we do at Re3D with a relentless commitment on social responsibility. We have a 1 for 100 model, whereby we give away one printer for every 100 we deliver to someone trying to make a difference in their community. And now we're so honored to share the stage with these awesome startups today at CES and Ignite the Night as we share with you what we believe is the next frontier in 3D printing. Using $4 million, we received equity-free from grants in pitch competitions such as this, including $1.5 million from the National Science Foundation. We've modified the business end of the printer so it can actually accept reclaimed plastic. That's right, trash. This is a paradigm shift. Less than 10% of trash in the ocean and in landfills has been recycled to date. We want to give the waste at NASA centers around the USA a home. By enabling Gigabot to 3D print from the plastic waste that centers are outputting on-site in their current operations, we believe we can continue to grow the existing customer base we already have while further exploring new opportunities. The sales of this system do indicate this is a possibility. And we believe that with NASA sustainability initiatives, including Kennedy Space Center's commitment to cut 50% of their waste that's going to landfills, and our unique location next to Johnson Space Center, we can work together to truly enable 3D printers and trash to go where no man has gone before. Thank you.